Hola, hola! Welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. My name is Mr. Brigs. I'm a qualified Spanish registered teacher, and I upload videos every week. Today we're going to learn how to say I need to go in Spanish. Perhaps one of the most practical sentences you could ever learn. So if you want to enhance your vocabulary, you've come to the right place. Click that red button and subscribe. It's free. I upload videos every week. Muy bien. Comencemos. Let's commence. I need to go in Spanish is necesito ir. Necesito ir. Necesito ir. Necesito means I need. Ir means to go. I need to go to the bathroom or to the toilet. Necesito ir al baño. Necesito ir, I need to go, al baño, to the toilet, al baño. Necesito ir al baño. If you catch a taxi, I need to go to the airport. Necesito ir al aeropuerto. Necesito ir al aeropuerto. Aeropuerto. If you want to say, I need to go to work, you would say, necesito ir a trabajar. Necesito ir a trabajar. Can you say that? Necesito ir a trabajar. Perfecto. I need to go for a walk. Necesito ir a caminar. Necesito ir a caminar. Una vez más, one more time. Necesito ir a caminar. I need to go for a walk. I need to go to the doctor. Necesito ir al doctor. If you're not feeling well and you're in a Spanish country, you can tell someone, necesito ir al doctor. I need to go to the doctor. Necesito ir al doctor. I need to go shopping. Necesito ir a comprar. Necesito ir a comprar. Can you say that? Necesito ir a comprar. Fantástico, you're doing very well. Siguiente. Next one. I need to go to the supermarket. Necesito ir al supermercado. Necesito ir al supermercado. Now let's say that you need to go home because it's getting late and you wanted to say, I need to go home. Then you would say, necesito ir a mi casa. Necesito ir a mi casa. Can you say that? Necesito ir a mi casa. Excelente. Make sure that you practice the pronunciation. I need to go to the shop. Necesito ir a la tienda. Necesito ir a la tienda. A la tienda means to the shop. Necesito ir a la tienda. Excelente, fantástico. Ahora voy a hablar en español para mis estudiantes más avanzados. Necesito que continúen aprendiendo más español para que podamos conversar en español juntos. Voy a organizar un Zoom, una lección en Zoom. Así es que suscríbanse y nos vemos pronto. Fantástico, my queridos amigos. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please leave your comments, share this video, and give me a like. Take care, and I'll see you very soon. Adiós.